Hello everyone, and this is the end of 2025, and today is my last unboxing for this year, and I got two of them, and let's begin, shall we? First I got is the 2001 film release of The Fast and the Furious. It stars Vin Diesel, Paul Walker, Michelle Rodriguez, and Joanna Brewster. If you have what it takes, you can have it all. Spine and the back, and Where the Sun Goes Down, Underworld Took Life, and is NC-16. Here's the disc, and the last one is The Lovely Bones, A Thrilling Adventure. It stars Mark Wahlberg, Rachel Weisz, Susan Sarandon, Stanley Tucci, Michael Imperolini, and Rojan, and A Thrilling Adventure. Running time is about 135 minutes. Here's the disc. Thank you guys for watching, and Happy New Year 2026, and I'll see you in 2026. Goodbye.